Hello, it's Mr. Olson out in nature. Hello, it's Mr. Olson out in nature, and I'm so pleased to be here with our wonderful ocean and sun, and also up in that direction the moon. Both are pulling, and they create the tides, and that with the waves have carved all this sand and this wonderful habitat. And you can see a lot of things here, including if you look at the surface where the water is leaching down, you can see it taking iron. The orange is the iron oxide, and also creating a beautiful lush environment for not only moss but also a variety of insects. I've seen a dead mosquito with an orange mite on top, and all sorts of exoskeletons from arthropods that have shed their exoskeleton. Oh, also there's curiously a sheen of oil coming through. I wonder, is that human made? I hope not. And what these layers of the rocks, it's like a history book which can uncover fossils and evidence of life millions and millions of years ago. So that's it. Thank you. Ooh, and look at those mites on a dead mosquito. Ooh, you can see them moving around. Beautiful.